It's that super flow, no, she my flow. Yeah, It's that super flow.
So if you guys want to watch this type of video every day, then click that red subscribe button, and hit that bell icon to get notified about every new video I upload in this channel.
What is up guys, what is up? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well with some of my methods. Today I'm back with my new video to help you guys out with some methods that I have been testing for past couple of months. I'm making some decent amount of money from this method. Here's the screenshot with proof. So without wasting time, let's get started. There's a tons of people on this planet who are trying to make money through online, but they won't get success because they didn't get good mentorship, or they don't have money to invest. Alright. You might be wondering why I'm showing you guys this Bonaet forums in a Google search. This is the forum, or we might say marketplace, where you guys can get the premium digital products, IM tools, softwares, SEO, hacking, cracking tricks, make money online methods and many more. Okay, I will come back to this forums later on and show you exact way how to utilize it properly. Today I'm gonna give you guys 1 paid methods for absolutely free, which helps you to make up to $5,000 per month. You might have a question on your mind. Is it possible to make $5,000 per month? Yes, it is possible. Until and unless you put your effort into these methods, you won't even earn a penny. No one gonna gives you money for free. So try to understand these methods and implement it properly as guided. You will have your success coming on your way from day one with some good results. So let's get into the Fiverr. Here you can see the exact methods that I will be giving you guys for free. There you can see the method almost cost $10 and $1 for processing fee from Fiverr. It will cost you a total of $11 if you gonna buy it from Fiverr. There you can see all his descriptions. He guarantees you it's step-by-step methods. If you are even a newbies, you won't have any problems in understanding these methods. In the page below you guys can see this method has got 386 reviews. And all the comments from the buyer. I think this guy is probably one of the best CPA method sellers from Fiverr. Here you can see the method that I bought from this seller past 2 months ago. This is not a fake. Here you can see my purchase complete order. When I bought this method, it's cost total of $6 for me. Now the seller has increased the price to $10. And it will cost you a total of $11. If you gonna buy this method directly from Fiverr, I highly recommend you not to waste your money for buying such type of products. Alright. So let's get into the Bonaet forums. When you dive into this forum, here you can see lots of different section with lots of methods, tools, softwares, ebooks, etc. All you have to do is just get yourself registered in this forum. To get registered, just click on that register button and try to read all the registration agreement. Then click on that I accept the terms of the agreement. After that, simply type your username, email, and click on that allow users to email me. Then choose authentication mode. And type your password and verify it again. And just put your exact location and select your gender. And just fill that CAPTCHA properly. And finally hit that registered button. And you are all set to go. There you can see your name at the top right corner. Now you are good to go with premium sections after getting registered. To download the copy of that method, just click on that Get All the Premium Contents. Then after click on that second link. And you will see the copy of that method here. There you can see the sales page. And after clicking that sales page's link you can see the vendor sales page, which I have already shown you previously. To get the exact copy of this method you can click on that attachment file. It will automatically download. Just open it, there you will see the download link. Just copy and paste that link into your browser. And you will see the download page with a blue download button. Just click on that download now button. Your screen will pop up with some menus. Just simply click on that verify through survey button. And there you will see 3 different options: install the free Street Games app, download the Wacth app, get your one-step entertainment. All you have to do is just put your 2 to 3 minutes of your effort on these sections. After completion of these simple, let's say, surveys, you will be redirected to the download page. Here's the download page. Just click on that left top corner download button, the file will start downloading. Just open that zip file. Click on that Word document. The document is protected with the password. Just simply click on that password.txt file and copy and paste that password into the Word file. And the file will decrypt. And the methods are all your guys. If you guys have any problems regarding in downloading the file, or any other queries, you can just simply email or personal message me. Or either you can reply to this topic down below. You might have some question in your mind. Why I have to complete these surveys? And why this file is locked? Okay, then I will tell you the truth, alright. If you guys complete the surveys, it helps me to earn some money with that. But later with that credits, I can provide you guys some really good stuff and tricks absolutely for free. The reason why this file is locked is due to the privacy reason. I am not even asking you guys to pay money for that. Or either I'm selling that product at a cheap rate. I'm just giving it to my viewers and subscriber for free. The method that I have purchased. So that you guys can earn some money with that. Here are some of my earnings proofs to motivate you guys. That's all for today. I will catch you guys on my next video soon. Happy earnings.